When JCB launched the Mark I robot in 1992, it sent the skid steer market into a spin. The robot's innovative single-loader arm eliminated the safety problems and poor cab access suffered by conventional twin-arm designs. Whilst operators of other machines struggled over their attachments to reach the driver's seat, robot users simply opened the cab door. JCB proved conclusively that one arm really was better than two. But they didn't stop there.
We knew we had an excellent machine with the original robot. It was way ahead of the competitors, and we had solved the problem of safe access. And we'd solved it without compromising performance or without compromising durability. But you can always learn, we know that. And the best way to learn is to listen hard to your customers, to listen to the people who drive the machines. They're the experts. And that's exactly what we've done with this new generation robot.
At first glance, you might think that the new robot is little changed from the original. In fact, every aspect of the machine was re-examined during a punishing development program. The mission was clear: to optimize robots' function and performance.
One thing we couldn't improve on was the single-loader arm. It's immensely strong, guaranteed for life, and it allows better cab access than any other skid steer. However, we thought we could improve cab access and operator comfort in other ways. One way was to lower the step by 4 inches, and to do that, we had to lower the hydraulic motors. This meant a major design change. When you look inside the cab, you'll see another major difference. There are no obstructions at all between you and the driving seat. There's nothing on the floor to step around. It's completely clear. We've done that by redesigning the safety restraint. It's now pivoted behind the seat, which allows it to swing up out of the way. You just pull it down, and as you do so, the left-hand control lever comes down with it, and you're ready to go. The type of control system is a big concern to operators, who will often be working their machines to the limit. To do that, they need good control. But the problem is that operators are individuals, and they all have different preferences. What we've done is to take up the challenge, so in the new generation robots, we can now offer all the industry standard patterns. As before, you can have servo-assisted controls if you prefer a smooth, progressive action. Alternatively, you can have a manual hand control. We've reduced the lever effort to make these even more responsive. Or if you prefer, you can have manual hand and foot controls. These have steering and direction on both hand levers, and foot pedals to operate the loader arm and shovel. This is probably the most common system worldwide. This means that whatever control system the operator is most comfortable with, we can match it. They don't have to get used to a new pattern. They can just get in and start work.
Performance is a critical factor to skid steer operators who use their machines for a wide range of demanding tasks. Here too, the new robot can offer something extra.
When you start using the new machine, you'll notice quite a few improvements to machine performance. We started by increasing the tractive effort by 11%, which you really notice when pushing into the pile. You'll also find the manoeuvrability is even better. This is due to the increased power going to the wheels and also a better match of wheelbase to track width. When you combine these improvements with the robot's load over height, still the best in its class, you've got a very fast and very effective machine. We've also increased the auxiliary hydraulic flow on all models, giving more power to low flow attachments. And you still have the high flow option if you need to drive power-hungry devices like planers or trenchers.
Versatility has always been a major strength of the robot, which can operate a wide range of tools and attachments. But with the new generation robots, the options are even wider.
If you've already got a yard full of attachments that you've built up over the years, you certainly don't want to scrap them if you change to a JCB robot. That's why we fitted the new generation machine with a universal quick hitch. This is compatible with a wide range of non-JCB attachments. So now, if you switch to a robot or add a robot to your fleet, you can keep on using all your existing equipment.
Providing the new robot's motive power is a Perkins diesel engine. Selecting the right unit was a vital aspect of the development program.
We chose the Perkins engine for its performance and dependability. It's an engine that's used in commercial applications all over the world. It's well known, it's trusted. In fact, it's as tough as the robot. You could say that it was the ideal match. Maintenance was another important consideration. We wanted it to be as straightforward as possible, and the engine met this requirement too. Just one oil is used for the engine, transmission and hydraulics. You can't get confused between different types. And all the fillers for oil, fuel and water are easy to reach from the rear. The same goes for the whole machine. Everything that might require maintenance or service is accessible, including major components like the hydraulic pumps and motors.
The high quality of Robot's design and engineering is matched by its quality of build. In JCB's high-tech factory, each production team takes personal responsibility for quality, signing off each machine before it can pass on to the next stage of assembly. In this way, reliability and long service life are built in from the ground up.
The robot story is a good mixture of innovation and evolution. There are plenty of good ideas, but they are mixed, they're combined with good practical development, taking comment from users, customer feedback. The machine is powerful, it's reliable, it's adaptable, and above all, it's safe. The robot is a machine that we here are very proud of, and it serves our customers very well indeed.